So coming to the stitching algorithm, which I've been demonstrating about, I'll just show you the data set of what I've done initially. So just go to my documents. So these are supposed to be the final images that we should get ideally. So this is how it's supposed to be looking like. So having this over here, so this is how the second slide images should be seen. So this is how the third slide should be seen, and this is how the fourth slide should be seen as an output. So for the purpose of demonstration, what I've done is I've took all these 5 images, and I'm reminding you for a fact that these images are stained images. So in case if we take any non-stained images, the algorithm really struggles because there is no clear-cut definition of where to draw the line and what sort of features to extract. So let's say this image has been split into a 3x3 let's say 4x4 pattern. So I have prepared all these 5 slides on these 5 different folders. If you go and see inside, you can see the entire images have been split like this. So what I will do now, I'll just, so for running this on a Mac, we just need to create the Conda environment. We need to install these Python packages. We need the script which is there in my downloads folder, and to run it we just need to type this code in my terminal. So I'll just paste this, and if I just run it, so here we got it. So here's the input section where I need to select my images. So since I've shown you before, like these are the images which I've split before. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all these images. I'm just going to give open, and there is an option for us to auto detect the rows and columns. In case in certain cases, if we really have to manually define it, we just have to take it out and we can manually enter the number of rows and columns that we need to include in this case scenario. So if we just give run stitching, yeah, here we go. So with the output, we'll be getting the score of 0.7295, which is almost equal to 1. So this is a near perfect match. But this seems to be working so very well for a 3x3 picture. But if I just throw a different data set, let's say I'll be taking a 4x3 data set. So in this case there are 4 rows and 3 columns. So if I select all this and if I put it over here, see it's better to take it off and then manually set the rows and columns to 4 and 3. So if I start to run stitching, see it's struggling. So this is why I have included this button at the bottom to retry a different pattern altogether. So if I give rerun, still we are not able to get this right. So we'll do it again. You can do it one more time. Okay, so now we are able to get it right. So if I say this is correct and learn this pattern, this feedback will be saved to the JSON file. That's it.